Hey beautiful fans, you're welcome to my joyful kitchen. So today I will be preparing Gizdodo. It's a popular dish in Nigeria, prepared with gizzard and dodo. I mean plantain. For people that don't know what dodo is, coming from other country, you might be new to what dodo is. Dodo is plantain. It's made from plantain. So I will take you through this process. Is very simple. I'm going to make it with a twist. So my family love taking it this way, and I know you will enjoy this video. Kindly stay tuned to watch to the end, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. So let's go into the preparation. Come with me. All the ingredients I'm using: fried plantain, gizzard, boiled one, not a fried one, pepper, cabbage, and some other ingredients which you will see as we cook. So use any oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil. You can use whatever oil you like. So I will fry the onions, and I will tell you why I'm not using fried gizzard. If you want a good taste, like a unique taste, just boil your gizzard, don't fry it. So this is my pepper. I'm pouring in the pepper. I also use a scotch bonnet pepper. You can use that. Also, if you don't like pepper, you have to ignore that. So I'm using my multi-purpose spice. This spice is really good. And my salt to taste. You can add your seasoning cube. So this is how I'm preparing my own. It was really tasty, guys. You have to give it a try. Yeah, so I'm going in with my gizzard. You see, you have to boil the gizzard until the water is almost dry. That way it will give the sauce a very good taste. Until it's almost dry. Note that. Make sure it's almost dry before you take it out from it. You can see that the juice from it is inside the gizzard. So I'm going in with my plantain, which is dodo in Nigerian language. If you are from other parts of the world, I will need you to try this recipe. You really love it, and you can eat it with any of your favorite delicacy. This thing was really good, and I added in my carrots. I didn't tell you, this is 3 sticks of carrots. It elevated the taste. It was really good. Let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment section. So enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to like, comment. I would like to hear your comments about the sauce, and also subscribe if you love what you see for more of our recipe, vlog, and a lot more. Thank you for watching, and share with other friends and family. I really appreciate that. I will be making a shout out to our beautiful big YouTuber. She's a big YouTuber, but you always see her on all the comments. Upcoming YouTuber, even big YouTuber. I don't know how she do that. She's a big support system to us on this street of YouTube. So her birthday was on the 3rd of May. So sis, I'm wishing you a beautiful birthday, and I pray God will grant all your heart desires. Thank you for always supporting us on this street. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'm going to be making a big shout out to one of us here. Her name is Olufunke Fatoki. She has also turned to like a sister to me. Happy birthday, sis, and I pray God will grant all your desire. You will grow bigger and bigger, especially in your gospel music. The Lord will bless you beyond your expectation in Jesus' name. Please check her out. She has amazing content. She's a music artist. You enjoy her channel and her music. So And I will also be making a shout out to all the main celebrants, the content creator, and including my subscribers. If you are a main celebrant, God bless you. And a shout out goes to my biological dad. His birthday is on May 15. Daddy, thank you for bringing me to this world. God bless you, and I love you. God will keep prospering your ministry, your life, everything in Jesus' name. You will live the rest of your life in health, abundance of God, and all the blessings of God in Jesus' name. To all the May celebrants, I love you. To all my subscribers that are May celebrants, God bless you beyond your expectation this May and beyond in Jesus' name. I love you guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.